This 2-minute tutorial introduces user secrets. This weather forecast app fetches data from SQL Server. The app settings file for this app contains a connection string with a username and password. Passwords and other secrets such as API keys should not be stored in source code, including app settings files. For this tutorial, I will show you how to safely store secrets for local development. To show this in action, I'll start by removing the connection string and running the app. The app throws an exception because the connection string is not initialized. We could add the connection string to the app settings.development.json file, but it's likely this file will be checked into source control. There is a better option, and that is the user secrets file. Selecting the Manage User Secrets option from the project context menu opens the secrets.json file. This file is stored outside of the solution directory in the user's app data folder, and so won't be checked in to source control. We can add configuration to this file, just as we do with app settings. As long as the web application is initialized using the host.createDefaultBuilder method, ASPNET Core automatically picks up configuration from the secrets.json file. Now when we run the app, the connection string is read from the secrets.json file and the data is fetched from SQL Server. ASPNET Core is able to locate the secrets.json file because Visual Studio added the name of the folder, which is also a globally unique identifier, to the project file. One thing I like to do is to help other developers who may not know about user secrets by adding a link to the excellent Microsoft documentation. If there are any 2-minute tutorial topics you would like to see, let us know in the comments section and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.